Hello everyone, I am Olivia at OMG Artistry, and I am teamed up today with It's a 10 to showcase our Miracle Hair Mask. The Miracle Hair Mask is a deep restorative treatment that could be used periodically, or for really dry, stressed hair, you could use it daily. The one thing that is so great about this product is actually that it is a tub. It's much easier to just dip your fingertips in and just grab the product from there, especially for longer tresses. I wanted to show you a little bit of the smell, the feel, and how my hair feels after I'm all done. So to just dip it right in. Oh, this feels good. It feels extremely silky, not lotiony, but definitely very conditioning. So it has a nice smell to it. It's not overtly perfumey. I'm sure that's due to the apricot kernel oil, as well as the sweet almond oil. A little pro tip is use it right before you enter the shower. So 20 minutes before, add a little bit of water, and then you'll use the mask on your hair, and then shampoo and condition your hair regularly afterwards. If you're gonna use this daily as a conditioner, you'll wanna use a quarter size, but if you're gonna use it as a deep conditioning mask, I would use a palm size. As always, the It's a 10 delivers 10 different benefits all into one. I'm gonna go wash my hair, and I'm gonna show you the after effect of using the It's a 10 Miracle Mask. So look, as you can see, gorgeous shine, incredible softness, and no frizz. My favorite part. It feels afterwards, and it also has a thermal protection in it, so it really helps to guard against any heat and damage inside the hair. So not only is it restorative, but it's also preventative. Thank you guys.